Now this is TRM 15 ton machine, 15 ton capacity machine. In this one we can roll from minimum 2 mm to up to maximum 50 mm. In this we can go in feed up to 170 and through feed unlimited, and we can go up to maximum 4 mm pitch B roller, and we can have a mass production in this one. The machine capacity and efficiency will be achieved in 15 to 20 microns only, with go no go qualification also. And this total system based on guide bar system, change system, and it have two movement systems. It both can come and press and inform the threads.
Which thread, sir? BSW, matrix?
Any thread can be do. Yes, sir. Just we have to change the rollers and we can do anything in a matrix and pitch, BSP, NPT, any rolls we can do. And this machine was classified and customized by as per customer requirement. We provide same as I said, machine life would be 20 years, zero maintenance, and we can have this. We provide operation manuals, guidance manuals, and electrical drawings, all the support, and we have our service engineer across India. So once any issue, our engineer will be there and clear this. Sir, this is from HTMT Private Limited, Hyderabad-based manufacturing company. Since 20 years, we are manufacturing this machines like thread rolling machines, spline rolling machines, and scaffolding machines. This machine is a spline rolling machine. In this one, this is the heavy duty one. From this from 4 mm to up to maximum 75 mm. Maximum 75 mm we can do that one. And this maximum module would be 1 mm. Pressure angle would be 30 degrees. And we can go through feed unlimited, in feed 170 mm. And another more thing is flexibility, we can take in mass production also. This is a 4-feed attachment. It automatically clamps the component, it loads, rolling and come outside. Totally automatic system, this one. And we have yes sir.
Accuracy, sir.
Accuracy, we can achieve accuracy in 20 microns.
20 microns.
15 to 20 microns.
15 to 20 microns. And maintenance
maintenance, zero maintenance up to 5 years. Machine life would be 20 years. Warranty period of this machine is 2 years. And we use heavy gearbox like change gear system. Based on components, splines, we can change the RPM. We can do based on based on component, we can change the gear and set the RPM, so it can get a perfect threading or spline. So we can achieve our that one efficiency.